Hi everyone and welcome to Studio de Sol. My name is Lina and in today's video I want to show you how I created the flower petal cane using polymer clay. So let's get started. For this tutorial I'm going to be using 3 different colors of the polymer clay. And to combine 3 colors together, I'm gonna blend them together, but just a little bit. So for that, I'm not cutting them into the triangles like I usually do for the Skinner blend. I'm just attaching all 3 pieces together and start running them through the pasta machine. In this way, the clay is mixing way slower. So you can see after the few minutes of mixing, it's just blending on the edges of the white clay. I'm running it a little bit more. And here's the blend that I'm happy with, and now I'm forming it into the thicker ribbon and running through the pasta machine on a second or third level of thickness. I'm getting this long ribbon of the polymer clay, and now I start folding it. When it's completely folded, I start shrinking it by pushing gently on the sides and sometimes rolling it with the rolling pin. So I ended up with a rectangular shape like this. And now I'm slicing this in half and attaching 2 pieces together. And also shifting them just a little bit. After that, I'm going over with the rolling pin, flatten it and attaching it 2 pieces to each other. And after that, I'm again slicing this in half and attaching the parts so they would mirror each other. I keep doing that for 5 to 6 times, but it really depends on how intense you want those little stripes to be. To have a fewer, you don't have to slice it too many times. If you have to have a lot of little lines, you can keep slicing this in half. And here's how mine is looking like. I'm happy with this pattern, and now I start shrinking it so it would become a round, thicker thread shape. And then also I decided to kind of lift the green color from the bottom a little bit up. So I just sliced it into the 4 pieces and kind of just bend it a little bit up. And after that, I just kept rolling it. And here's how the pattern looks on the inside. And from this point, the petal cane is ready. You can create the flower cane out of it by adding more clay to the center and to the edges. I decided to use the petals on its own and create the earrings out of it. Full tutorial how I'm creating this petals earrings is gonna be on my Patreon page. I'm gonna attach the link down in the description, and also on my Patreon page I'm gonna be showing how I created that flower out of the petals. After the baking, I'm checking the durability of the petals and then assembling the earrings. And again, if you want to see the full tutorial, I'm gonna have it on my Patreon page. And here's my final result. And if you like this video, don't forget to share with me in the comments below, and we see each other in the next one.